This segment of history will focus on History Reference Center. You can access History Reference Center alphabetically or click on History and Genealogy. This database is designed for secondary schools, public libraries, junior and community colleges, as well as for undergraduate research. Let's begin by doing a search. This database will recognize my use of Boolean AND because I have it checked here in the search modes that it will recognize Boolean or phrase. That means I can put my AND or not, or include a phrase without having to put quotation marks. To get more information about these search modes, just click on the question mark. And let's launch the search. On my results list, I have my articles down the middle, including my preview icon. If I hover my cursor over that, I can get the abstract information as well as seeing that it's in full text formats. It also includes Lexile reading scores. So let's select an article. I'm going to select Explorers of Wyoming. When appropriate to the article, it will include a state and/or country report. There's also information about Lexile reading scores. Just click on the score and you'll get grade appropriate information. Scrolling down, we'll find the text of our article and that this also includes text-to-speech. On the right-hand side, you'll see that I can print, email, save this, get citation information, or add this item to a folder. More on folders can be found in the Discover It, Try It, Learn It session on EBSCO. Look for the segment on folders. This particular article is in HTML full text as well as PDF. To see the PDF format, just click on that link, and now you're in the PDF view. To go back, top left-hand corner, there's a back button, which will bring me back to my list of results. On the left, we see that this search of 15 can be narrowed by source types, by subject, and by publication. Let's begin with the source type and click on biographies and update our search. Now we have 2 items in the biography. Notice that our limiter is here in the breadcrumb box. Once we've viewed those 2 biographies, we can go back to our main results by clicking on the X. And now we can add additional limiters. At the top right, you'll see a link to related historical images. We can click on one of those, and that can also be printed, emailed, saved, or added to your folder. The EBSCO databases have this common interface. History Reference Center has an added feature called Timeline. Here you can select an event or time period and launch a search. This is a great way to get information about a time in history without already knowing dates, people, or places. I'm going to select Prosperity, Depression, and the New Deal, 1920 to 1940, and click on Search. I do not have to enter anything in the search box. On the left, you'll see that we have periodicals, newspapers, reference books, biographies, as well as primary source documents. If I click on the primary source documents, I've updated my search, narrowed my results down to just those documents, and I can see the source of items I have by looking at these abstracts, or I can come down here and look at publication and see where these items are coming from, that I have speeches, I have text of the acts, and legislation. Another feature of History Reference Center are the images and the video encyclopedia of the 20th century. Click on More at the top, And now we're in a new search box, the image collection. This is an incredible addition to historical research. For my search for suffragettes, I have 16 result items here in my image file. I can scroll down reading the abstract information, or I can click on an item and go into the photo. These can also be added to folders, printed, emailed, saved, and there is citation information. Let's look at another example. I do not have to go out to the main page to launch a new search. If I want to see images and video, I come over to the left-hand side under Database, click on Show More, and now I want to add the Video Encyclopedia of the 20th Century and update my search. Now you can see that if students were researching a topic, they can add and see what was going on and what was being said during that time period. Unfortunately, the video will not play on this recording software, but go check it out.